Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on SIVB. It's Silicon Valley Bank. Well, the stock is still halted, and it's been halted for a week now. So if we take a look at a 6 months daily chart, the stock was trading once over $300. And on Thursday, March 9th, it was trading at 106. And then, of course, on March 10th, that's when the stock actually halted pre-market. And I got in pre-market. You can see my orders here. At 4:46 March 10th a.m., I bought 100 shares at 55, and then I decided to average down, not knowing that the stock would get halted and that the bank would get shut down. So 5:25 a.m., I bought 10 more shares. So a total of 130 shares at an average price of $50.60, but it doesn't matter because right now it seems like the shareholders are going to lose their money.
And the reason why I say the shareholders are going to lose their money is because last week there was a joint statement by Treasury, Federal Reserve, and FDIC. And if we take a look down here, it says shareholders and certain unsecured debt holders will not be protected.
And that's unfortunate. Just be very cautious when you're buying options or selling options. So, for example, this person got their options exercised. So let's take a look. Saturday, I got the email saying I was exercised. I don't have the margin to cover it. It's considerably larger margin. I got called 6 figures. My question is, has anyone had any experience on this matter? I'm not looking to dodge pain of I could come to an agreement with my broker. Would it be best on payment plan? But do they do such a thing? Considering this usually rarely happens where a stock holds and I couldn't exit is the reason I'm upside down with the max loss. No need to say I'm a fool as I already feel it. So edit version 1. So my portfolio was liquidated on Monday. They cashed everything out. I had $142,000 in there. That's pretty much all my savings. I don't have any more money to give. I was reading that people aren't getting exercised, and so it's just total bad luck that all my contracts got exercised. My thinking was the float is 58 million, but with the number of contracts that were sold, how did they get so much stock? It feels like a GameStop where the short side is 3 times greater than the actual float. Also thanks to all the kind people that have posted. Version 2. For all of you saying this is fake, why would anyone lie about losing money? I wish that wasn't real. For anyone asking about risk management, you can't do anything if the stock is halted. Options can't be traded after hours or pre-market. I sold them at 140-ish, then price dropped even more. I should have got out, but I thought we might have some morning bounce. Stock never opened again. So this is the worst case scenario. And actually, I had something similar, although the stock did not get halted. I sold naked calls on AMC back on June 2nd, and my entire portfolio was wiped out. Again, I guess I just never learned my lesson and just trade these risky stocks. And I feel very sad for this person. This is a lot of money. All their savings is essentially gone. They sold 125 puts, so they would get assigned 100 shares at 125. So I'm not sure how many puts they have sold, but it seems like it's their entire savings right now. Okay, sales says here, he sold 22 contracts at $125 on a 142,000 account. This is a risk management problem. And that was also something that I didn't take in consideration. I was able to sell over 100 naked calls. Anyways, that was a huge mistake. I regret it, and it actually set me back quite a bit. And I know how this person feels. So hopefully they can try to work out a plan with their brokerage.
Once again, retail investors are screwed. We did not know this was going to happen. I didn't think it was going to happen. This was once a 16th largest bank. They have been around for quite some time. Only the CEO and the executives knew that they were going to go under because they sold thousands of shares. I think it was a week prior to the collapse. So again, retail investors always get screwed over. So right now, I'm going to take this as a loss. I contacted someone from TD Ameritrade and asked what's going to happen with my SIVB shares. They said at this time, the stock is still halted and we do not know at this time if or when the stock will start trading. Let me know in the comments down below what you're going to do And if you bought in SIVB shares on March 10th, which was a Friday right before it got halted. Thanks for watching.